99% of people are completely blind to how money actually works. They break their backs, work 60 hours a week, and sacrifice their youth, completely unaware that they are trapped in a financial simulation. But today, the algorithm brought you here for a reason. You are about to wake up. If you stay until the very last second of this video, you will uncover the hidden mechanism of wealth building that the top 1% uses to make money while they sleep. You will learn to stop playing the game on hard mode. But if you choose to close this video right now, your brain will slip right back into the grind. You will miss the only shortcut to financial freedom, condemning yourself to struggle paycheck to paycheck for the rest of your life. The choice is yours in the next 10 seconds. Block 1. The hard work lie. Look at your life. How many times have you told yourself that if you just work a little harder, things will get better? You feel that deep exhaustion in your bones, a constant anxiety about bills that never seems to go away. Block 1. The hard work lie. Look at your life. How many times have you told yourself that if you just work a little harder, things will get better? You feel that deep exhaustion in your bones, a constant anxiety about bills that never seems to go away. But here is the secret your boss will never tell you. Working more hours is not the solution. It's a design flaw in your financial blueprint. A massive revelation about your personal finance is coming up in just a moment. Most people confuse activity with productivity, but wealth is not built by sweat. It is built by systems. In the next 2 minutes, you will understand exactly why your effort is being stolen. Block 2. The metaphor of the hamster wheel. Imagine you are a hamster on a golden wheel. The wheel is your job. The faster you run, the faster the wheel spins. You think you are moving forward, but you are staying in the exact same spot. You are exhausted, but you haven't moved an inch. Until one day, you step off. That is financial education. The moment you stop running and look at the machine, you realize you don't need to run faster. You need to own the wheel. Do you want to know how to break it today? Pay close attention. When you stop trading time for money, the illusion shatters. People think they need a higher salary or a second job to get rich. That is a lie. What you need is to change the asset class you are building. If you don't grasp this concept, you will spend your entire life building someone else's empire while yours decays. You become a perfect economic slave. But there is a precise formula to flip the script, and I'm giving it to you right now. Wealth generation is not a matter of luck. It is pure economic math. It's about detaching your income from your physical time. Those who master this gain an invisible superpower, temporal autonomy. Nothing outside can dictate their value. But beware, because society trains you to love your chains. Block 3. David's story, the paycheck crash. Take the story of David. He was the ultimate hard worker. Top of his class, 80 hours a week at a prestigious corporate firm, making 6 figures. Yet, his bank account was constantly draining. He was trapped in the lifestyle inflation trap. The day the market crashed, David's firm downsized. In 24 hours, his income dropped to absolute zero, but his debts stayed exactly the same. His illusion of security evaporated. Lost in the ruins of his perfect life, David had a breakthrough. With nothing left to lose, he stopped looking for another job. He used his remaining energy to build a scalable digital asset. He finally understood value creation. David didn't replace his salary overnight, but he bought back his time. He realized his value didn't belong to a corporate title. His financial suffering ended the exact second he accepted that safety is an illusion. He stopped fighting for a paycheck and started fighting for equity. And that, my friend, is where true wealth begins. When you shift your focus from earning to owning, the game changes. The right systems begin to work for you. How can you apply this today? Get ready for the first law. Block 4. The first law. Value over time. The first law of wealth is realizing the market only rewards value, not time. A person cleaning a floor works physically harder than a software engineer, but the scale of value is completely different. If you want to scale your income, you must scale your impact. Stop asking, how can I work more hours? And start asking, how can I serve more people with less effort? If your income is linked to your physical presence, you have a ceiling on your life. If you get sick, your income dies. If you sleep, your income stops. That is a dangerous way to live. Shifting this single mindset reduces financial anxiety instantly. It detaches your survival from your daily calendar. Your time is limited to 24 hours a day. Value, however, is infinite. If you leverage code, content, or capital, you break the matrix. Stay highly focused, because what comes next is the absolute turning point of this video. If you master the second law, you win permanently. If you are feeling a mental click right now, it's not an accident. Hit the like button as a psychological contract with yourself that you are stepping off the wheel today. Type the word free down in the comments so I know who is ready to escape the grind. I want to read your plan today. And share this immediately with that one friend who is burning out at their job. It will become their wake-up call. Don't do it for me, do it to disrupt the system. Because what I am about to reveal in the next 10 seconds will change how you look at debt forever. Let's dive into the second law. Block 6, the second lay. The power of leverage. Leverage is the ultimate financial multiplier. It is the ability to do more with less. Without leverage, you are just a lone soldier in an economic war. Slaves work for money. The wealthy make money work for them, or they hire others, or they build systems. The 3 types of leverage are labor, capital, and products with zero marginal cost of replication. Products like code or media work for you 24/7 while you sleep. A video, an ebook, or a software program doesn't take vacation days. Relying solely on labor is a sign of financial illiteracy. Capital leverage means every dollar you save becomes a tiny worker whose only job is to bring more dollars back to you. If you live without leverage, you are a beggar begging for corporate crumbs. When you apply leverage, you become an economic architect. If you let go of the pride of doing it all yourself, the system starts working for you. And this brings us straight to our final law. Block 7, the third law, radical discipline. High income without financial discipline equals sophisticated poverty. It doesn't matter how much money you make, it only matters how much you keep and multiply. Your mind will always try to spend more as you earn more because society conditions you to flex. It tells you, you deserve that car, that trip, those clothes. But the truth is, if you can't save money when you make 40K a year, you won't save money when you make 400K. Financial discipline is a behavior pattern, not a number. The moment you anchor your spending to your needs rather than your ego, consumer traps lose their power over you. True wealth is silent. Wealth is the cars you didn't buy, the watches you didn't lease. It's the freedom to say no to things you don't want to do. But watch out for the deadliest trap after you start earning. Block 8, the fake rich illusion. There is a lethal trap on this path. Many start building assets, see a small surge of income, and instantly upgrade their lifestyle to impress people they don't even like. They become enslaved by their own success. They build a golden cage. Congratulations, your corporate boss has just been replaced by your own ego. It's an even worse prison. Real wealth doesn't seek validation. It seeks autonomy. It doesn't need to shout. It speaks through peace of mind and options. If your money only serves to show off, it's not wealth, it's insecurity. Real wealth is quiet, invisible, and bulletproof. Now you stand at a crossroads. You have the laws. You understand leverage. But knowledge without immediate execution is useless. And this is where most grinders fail completely. The dependency bridge. Hypnotic retention outro. Stepping off the hamster wheel has 2 phases, and you just finished the first one. But the second phase is where people hit a hidden psychological wall that completely self-sabotages their wealth overnight. It's an invisible mental mechanism that destroys your savings without you realizing it. I just uploaded the exact video showing you how to bypass this psychological trap and how to automate your asset systems so your money multiplies permanently. Do not close YouTube. Do not look anywhere else. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now. If you click, you break the cycle today. If you skip it, your brain will drag you back to the 9 to 5 grind tomorrow morning. See you inside. Click now.